Welcome to 232 Watkin Way. This awesome 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. The covered front porch, 2-car garage, as well as luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout downstairs. Inside is located in the Travers Park subdivision in the Dennisville area of Northeast Columbia. It's convenient to I-77 and I-20, as well as Fort Jackson, Northeast area amenities, and Forest Acres as well. So out front, you can see you have sidewalks on this side of the street in the neighborhood. You have a nice 2-car garage and driveway, and then a small covered front porch or entry as you come in on the right side here. So we step into small entry foyer, and you can see the luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring that is throughout. It's nice wide plank that's throughout the main level of the home. Right off of the foyer, you do have a conveniently located half bathroom or powder room. You have a pedestal sink and commode on that side. Then you also have convenient access to the two-car garage as well. There's a vehicle parked inside right now. Just for reference, you can see the size. It's a sort of smaller, medium-sized SUV. So you can see it's a pretty nice size garage in there. And then you can see sort of the open plan living space kind of starting here. You have some nice architectural details with the sort of columns separating the formal dining space as you enter on the left here, but you can see it's nice and open with great sight lines out to the family room, which is open to a nice eat-in dining area, as well as the kitchen itself. You have a center island in the kitchen with some bar seating, as well as the granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. There is a side-by-side refrigerator. And on this side, you have your above range microwave, as well as a 4-burner gas range. And then the dishwasher is tucked into the island nicely there. You also do have a pantry conveniently located on this side as well. And then as you can see, just the dining area here with the sliding glass door out to the backyard, where you have a nice sized patio and a nice sized backyard as well. Pretty level. You do benefit from some neighbor fencing, but the yard itself is not fully fenced in. So do keep that in mind. But again, a nice living space off of the kitchen here with the ceiling fan, and you do have some recessed lighting or flush mount lighting there in the kitchen also. So we'll go ahead and take a look upstairs at the bedrooms and bathrooms. So off the upstairs, you do have some additional living space off the landing here. So sort of a nice little nook in this area, and then some additional space here. So that can be used for seating space, a small workspace, just whatever you want to use that for, just leave it open. You have attic access, pull down with some potential storage there. We'll start on this side, as this is the primary suite, and work our way around, excuse me. So you can see the primary does face the rear of the home. You have 2 windows looking out that way, a ceiling fan in here. And then you can see on the opposite wall, you have a really nice sized walk-in closet, very large, as well as the private ensuite bathroom. You have double sinks and a nice standing shower. You have a corner seat there as well. And then you also have a nice deep linen closet in the primary bathroom also. Right next door, you have a laundry room with the included washer and dryer side by side. Do confirm, however, with the leasing office just to make sure those are available at the time of rental. And then of course you have a second bathroom with the double sinks as well. You have a shower and tub in here. Right across from it is another linen closet, just off of this hallway space. And then last but not least, you have 2 additional bedrooms off the space as well. Both of those do have their own walk-in closet, which is a great feature. So as you can see here, nice size closet. Plenty of floor space in there. And then finally, bedroom number 3. That second bedroom was on the left side of the house if you're facing from it, or facing from the street, and this one faces the front, so you do get the benefit of an additional window in the walk-in closet in this bedroom as well. So that does complete our tour of this home, and the address is 232 Watkin Way in Northeast Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.